As Kolkata ushered its 78th year of independence, the people of Kolkata were out on the streets demanding justice for a 31-year-old trainee doctor who was allegedly raped and murdered on duty inside government-run RG Kar Hospital in the city last week. People from all walks of life joined this vigil, demanding justice for the family and seeking safety for the women of the state. On the other side, an unruly mob barged into the RG Kar Hospital and vandalized the premises. The group of doctors who were sitting on a protest inside RG Kar Hospital scrambled for safety as the protest stage was completely vandalized by this group of miscreants who had overpowered the police. To contain the situation, the Kolkata police had to resort to tear gas shelling outside the hospital premises to disperse the mob that had gathered. The scenes that unfolded had shocked the city and the nation. Inside the emergency building, the ground floor had been completely ransacked by these miscreants. The entire ground floor wore a picture of despair and almost depicted the moments when this unruly mob walked in and not only vandalized the medical equipments, the beds, the IV drops, the ventilators, but also damaged each and every room that was there on the ground floor. In this same building, on the 4th floor, the fateful incident had occurred last week where the body of the trainee doctor was discovered. The CBI is investigating this case after the Calcutta High Court handed over the investigation from the Kolkata police. The Kolkata police chief, IPS Vineet Goyal, had reached RG Kar Hospital as news of the incident broke and stunned everyone in the city who was out protesting and holding a peaceful rally. Vineet Goyal, after visiting RG Kar Hospital, came out and addressed the media where he blamed a malicious campaign being run by the media responsible for the mob fury at RG Kar Hospital. But there are several questions that remain unanswered. When the entire state was aware that there was going to be protest marches across the city, did the Kolkata police not have intelligence reports suggesting that there could be a large mob mobilized towards RG Kar Hospital? The other questions that of course remain unanswered: was there just one individual behind this gruesome crime that was committed inside the government hospital premises? After one person was arrested by the Kolkata police within 24 hours of the incident. The parents allege that there are more than one person involved in this incident and the investigations need to be carried out. There are several other unanswered questions. Who was this mob? Where did they come from? What was their intention? And whether it was pre-planned or not. Doctors at RG Kar Hospital continue to raise slogans and sit on their protests, demanding justice and now safety and security. We have been reporting from ground zero, and doctors got in touch with us and said that they were feeling actually scared to enter their workplace because of the situation that unfolded on 15th morning. The Chief Minister of West Bengal has condemned the situation and also said that the police force had been brutally attacked. But what needs to be investigated is how did this mob enter RG Kar Hospital, and more importantly, the emergency building where there was tight police security and private security guards of the Government Medical College and Hospital on duty at the collapsible gate, which now has been uprooted.